Okay, I'm back again, this time doing the unboxing of the Vimoto V6 Bluetooth headset. So stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hi YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully my video finds you in good health, and the reason why I'm sharing this product unboxing is because I've been using it since April. And also because ever since I started riding in 2004, I've been trying to find something which is wireless. And you know, every time when we buy our handphones, it comes with the wired earpiece, and we often just stick it into our ears, and it's like, especially when you travel on a long journey, it is very irritating. So I did some Google search and came across this product on Carousel, right? Carousel. Okay, it's selling at about $98 Sing. Okay, so I bought it in April or May, around there. So I bought it around April or May for myself and started using it until now. Now the thing is, the reason I want to share this with you is because I find it that it's a good buy compared to other brands which is costing about $100 to over $300, and also it's waterproof, and also it's clear, and also when you are riding and somebody makes a phone call to you, it's also cleared. Well, that's what most of my customers say. Anyway, so let's proceed with the unboxing. I'm not going to face the lens down, so I'm going to bring the product up so that you can see through the lens. Because anyway, if I face down, the packet is already open, it's already fixed on my helmet, yada yada yada. It's sort of like an unboxing, but it's not actually unboxing. It's just sharing with you what's inside the box, or what's left inside the box. Alright, to begin with, when you buy it, you get this box, right? So when it arrives at your doorstep or whatsoever, or maybe you collect from the seller itself, right? It comes in this box, very thin, front and back. Alright, it has a flip cover. Right, all the instructions are stated here. Okay, but I'm going to do an installation video as well, so that I'm able to guide you, or there will be a guide for you to arrange or install on your helmet yourself without any issues. Alright, other than that, there's nothing else to see here. I don't know whether you can see. Okay, that's what so far you see on the outer layer. Now we go inside. So now I'm going to open the box, or what's left of what's inside the box. Now, this is what you're going to find inside the box. I'm not so sure whether it's clear or not because I'm using a manual lens. So this is what you're going to find inside the box. So you're going to open it, and you will find your Bluetooth here. Alright, then the rest of the peripherals, or whatever pearls will be here. Alright, you got a manual book. What I have here is the cables, the charging cables. It's a USB to a mini USB. Then the manual. Alright, you will be receiving a few sticky pads, or Velcro stickies, or what they call it. Some sort of, one side is sticky, the other side is Velcro. So you will receive a few, two of which are circular, which is meant for the speakers. Then I think one is squarish, and the other one is rectangular, I think, which I only use so far is a lorry passing by again. Which I only use so far is the circular ones, because I find that the rest of the stickers are not actually quite useful, because after quite a while the Velcro sticky or the 3M stickers, even though it's called 3M, I don't know whether it's printed 3M or it's really from 3M. Sorry if my head is turning that side, because I'm looking at the screen there. It's a side screen, it's not the bottom screen or the top screen or the left screen. I'm trying to look whether I'm clear or not. So I'm trying to get used to this vlogging thingy. Okay, so back to the thing again. The only stickies that is useful is only the circular ones that has the Velcro. That's for your speakers inside the helmet. Alright, other than that, you can throw the rest away, or you want to use inside whatever projects you want to use. You can use that on your bike or whatsoever. You can use, because it has no use at all. Okay, so other than that, you will be receiving the Bluetooth set itself. Right, I will go in depth on this because currently I think this thing is limited here. I can't face down, or I need to do a combination of my action camera and my DSLR here so that I can get a clear image or video. Alright, the dock itself is connected to my helmet, as you can see here. I can see, but I don't think so you can see. There it is. So the dock is here, the karaoke batang is here, there's the mic set. Sometimes when I ride and I stop one corner, one uncle asks me, "Hey, what is that stick sticking out?" Karaoke. Karaoke. I karaoke on the bike. So basically this is your mic piece. Okay, your speakers are inside, which I will do an in-depth video on it later. Alright, which I will bring you inside my helmet. Not actually bring you inside. I will have a tour of my helmet inside on how I fix the Vimoto V6. So other than that, you will receive the dock itself. The dock is connected to the speakers inside. As you can see, the cables are here. I don't know whether you can see that. Okay, but anyway, it's going to cover in the installation video. Then this part here will actually connect to your mic. This is detachable, right? Since it's already connected to my helmet, I wouldn't want to take it out. Okay, the plug wise is very far different from your 3/4 inch. Okay, just give me a minute, because this is a waterproof headset, and I dare say it's quite cheap compared to certain brands which is known or well known, or I don't know, I never tried it before, but since this is cheap and it's good and it's waterproof, and I tried it in heavy rain whatsoever shit, it's good, it's damn good. Anyway, this is how the pin looks like. As you can see, there's a bit of an extension at this portion here. Right, this will go deep into the plug, so you cannot use your normal 3/4 inch plugs onto this set itself. So this is one of the mics provided. This is a wired mic. Okay, this is a wired mic. Can see? Cannot see. I think can see. This is a wired mic. Just now you saw is the stick mic. This is basically used for full face helmets. Don't know whether you can see this. Can you see? No? No? Can you see? No? So this is basically useful for full face helmets, whereby you plug in over here and you put the mic with the sponge facing you. Alright. Otherwise, if you are using a helmet which is similar to mine, you will be using the stick mic. But if you are using this mic, pandai-pandai lah. So I mean, I leave it to you whether you want to use this or you want to use that, but once you open the visor, this thing also follows along and this plug comes out. Okay, so other than that, you'll be receiving a clip as well. This one very lama punya style, very clip to your helmet inside, which I don't use. Okay, basically this is my work helmet. Basically this is my work helmet. I don't use this clip. I straight away take super glue and stick it permanently onto my helmet. Okay, so that is one part. This is the mufflers. You will get two of these mufflers. This is for your karaoke mic, which you fix sticking out. Okay, what I will do is that when I want to use, I will bring it down. If I'm not using it, I will bring it up. So you will have one horn down here, and it does not brush your teeth while you are riding. Okay, so two mufflers. One I've already used, and I still got one brand new one which I have not used. Okay, then the next one will be the connectors. Okay, if you see right over here, hopefully you can see, because this is a manual lens, it does not autofocus. If you can see over here, there's one additional port here which I cover. Alright, this is to ensure that the water does not seep in. Okay, you will be using this if you are still old school, using iPod or whatever MP3 punya barang-barang or whatever items which plays MP3, you need to use this cable to connect your iPod or MP3 player to your headset. Okay, but the problem is, as I mentioned, the plug is different, so that's why they gave you an extra plug, so that this is to be plugged in into your headset, and this one is for your 3/4 inch plug of your MP3 player. Okay, tak pakai, simpan. Never use, keep, don't throw. USB cable. Okay, this is very important for you. Alright, this is included inside your package. Alright, this is used for you to charge your Bluetooth piece. Okay, the connection or the mini USB is behind here. This is the one. You will use that mini USB to cocok inside. Okay, you can use your normal mini USB cable from Samsung or whatever handphone that you have which is using the mini USB to charge this thing. Okay, as you can see, it can be disconnected from your headset, so it is very convenient. You don't have to bring your whole helmet up. Sometimes we all finish riding, we just campak the helmet inside the box, buat bodoh. Okay, that's what I normally do. Okay, and that's the reason why also the helmet are very smelly. Okay, cancel that. So basically you can just chuck your helmet into the box, bring this little fella up for charging. Takes about maybe 1 hour, 1 hour plus, quick charging, quick one, quickie. Okay, and you can bring it back down again. Now for this one, usability, if you're asking me how long can it stand, how long you want? Okay, on the extreme basis, alright, I've ever turned it on for morning, go back, thought of going out later, I just put my helmet on my side mirror together with this thing attached, still switched on, forget, tomorrow morning, go out, wear, go for work, end of the day, come back, still okay. It's that long. So basically this battery lifespan is awesome. Okay, also I always turn it on while I'm riding, so if you guys see me on the road, you all lambai, shout, if you see me no effect, that means I'm listening to this fella. Okay, so battery usage or battery consumption, or the battery itself is able to withstand for quite a while, at least about 1.5 days. All right, so very good stuff. So other than that, there's nothing much. I think I haven't missed anything. So what I would say is that in the next video that I'm going to post on YouTube is the installation video plus the website which you can get the Vimoto V6 cheap, good, better price than Carousel as of this video lah. Okay, so be sure to subscribe, press the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if you find this video useful, hit the thumbs down if you going out, going home or whatsoever, you cannot watch this thing, bedek lah. Once you watch already, you sure watch. Okay, so hit the thumbs up if you find this video useful. Stay tuned for the next video, alright, to find out where you can get the Vimoto V6 cheap and how I install the Vimoto V6 onto my work helmet. So see you in the next video. Ride safe.